Yeah, I'm working on the S430 again. Weather changing up. Those are all the new parts I put in last year. Tie rods and everything. Yeah, I was just checking that one. Hope it not loose. It's tight. But I'm gonna check the air pump because the suspension staying on the ground on the rear. The front sets a high, real high, and this rear fall to the ground. So I'm trying to take out all these screws here, and the rest around. And all the plastics in here. Yeah, all the plastics in here. I start taking out these pieces right here. I take